Hello guys, Noor here. I call the Galaxy Z Fold 4 the multitasking monster because it comes with One UI 4.1.1, which brings a big new feature. When you open an app, the entire dock shrinks to the bottom of the screen, most like the Windows taskbar, which allows you to launch recent apps and change between apps back and forth very fast, or even go to multitasking by dragging and dropping apps onto the screen. On the bar you see all apps icon all the way on the left, which allows you to launch any app you want. And on the right side there's the navigation buttons, while in the middle you can see your recent and favorite apps. That's all for today guys. Share the video with family and friends, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification to get the latest news about Tech World and Samsung devices. You can watch this video afterwards to know the latest news about the Galaxy S23 series. Thanks for watching, see you on the next one.